Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I made chickpeas. In Spanish it's called garbanzo and it is very popular here in Madrid. They use it to make what is called cocido madrileño, but I made these chickpeas, this garbanzo, my own way with other ingredients. I will leave the list of the ingredients that I used in the description box, and also I will detail the steps that you have to take to make the chickpeas. I have here gizzard, mushroom, onion, spinach, paprika, seasoning powder, chili pepper, and of course the chickpeas, the already cooked chickpeas that I bought from the supermarket. First, we have to cook the gizzard. Then when it's cooked, I will cut them into tiny bits. Then cut the mushroom into tiny bits as well and set aside. Cut the spinach and set aside. Now drain out the water from the chickpeas and wash them very well to remove the preservatives that they have. Then pour oil, vegetable oil of your choice, into a pan. And fry the onions. When the onions are tender, you pour in the mushroom. Fry both together for 2 minutes. Remember that mushroom doesn't take much time to fry or to get tender. After 2 minutes, you add white pepper, ginger powder, and paprika. Mix well. Add the chopped gizzard. Turn very well. Now you add the chili pepper and immediately add the vegetable, that is the spinach. Remember to lower the heat while you are adding up all those things because this doesn't need much heat. As the chickpea is already cooked, you are not cooking it, you are just like heating it up. Now add salt to taste. Then pour in the drained and washed chickpea. Mix everything together. I love to cook it this way, I really do, because the texture of the chickpeas, the taste of it, you will enjoy it more this way than the traditional way they cook it here. Cover to simmer, like to heat up for 2 minutes, and you have your delicious chickpea recipe, my own way, my own style. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and subscribe if you have not. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.